Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily change the font size of the clock on your lock screen on your iPhone. Please subscribe to this channel, write your comments at the end of the video, and also make sure to put your likes. So friends, let us get started with you. And if you'd like to resize the clock on your iPhone lock screen, you're gonna have to go into your phone settings. And then you'll need to scroll down a little bit to go to General. And then update the software. Why do this? You will need to make sure your iOS is updated to version 17.0 or a higher version like I currently have 17.5. If your iOS is not updated to this version, then you will need to update it to the latest version. Only after these steps will you be able to change the font size of your watch. After you do the iOS update, you'll need to swipe down from the left side of the screen from the top to go to the lock screen. Next, tap and hold. This will take you to the wallpaper. And now you will need to tap on some wallpaper. If it's the wallpaper that you have right now, then you tap on it and change at the bottom. Then you select the lock screen. Then you click on the clock widget. And as you can see, there's a slider here. So you can change the size, you can change the way your clock looks, how it looks, and the color. Once you have everything set up the way you want it, you just click Done. Then you go back to the lock screen and exit. That's the simple way, friends. You can change the font size of the clock on your lock screen on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, give your likes, and see you soon.